Hi, I'm Supriya Malik. Indulgio Essentials will be turning 9 this year. And before I tell you more about Indulgio Essentials, I would like to tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a mother of 3, daughter of a single mother. Been running the show all by myself when I started. छोटी सी टीम से शुरू किया था. जब Indulgio शुरू किया था, it was all like work from home, college girls helping me out with DMs. One of them standing right here behind the camera. एंड द जर्नी वॉज वेरी मतलब कोई बोर्ड रूम में डिसाइड नहीं किया था कि एक ब्रांड लॉन्च करना है. दिस केम आउट ऑफ अ वेरी पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम. इंस्पिरेशन वॉज माई डॉटर. मेरी बेटी को ग्लूकोज टॉलरेंस डायग्नोज हुआ था व्हेन शी वॉज 3. सो व्हेन दैट वॉज डायग्नोज टू हर, वी टुक हर टू लॉट ऑफ डॉक्टर्स. किसी ने उसको प्री डायबिटिक बोला, किसी ने कुछ बोला, बट इवेंचुअली इट जस्ट टर्न्ड आउट कि उसको मीठा खाने से स्किन पे रैशेज होते हैं. And when she scratched, they turned red and then they turned into pigmentation. वो मेरा starting point था to launch a brand. But the presence of natural products in my life has been since I was 15, I would like to say. जब उसको ये problem हुई, she was prescribed hydroquinone, and when my mom, who has been into Ayurveda since like now many years, she said that this is not what you're going to put on my grandchild. If you're going to put this, you will have to run after her all the time for sunscreen, because जब आप hydroquinone लगाते हो, you really have to do your sun protection well. And she said, छोटा बच्चा है, बाहर जाएगी, खेलेगी, कहाँ तक भागेगी उसके पीछे. That is what my mom exactly told me. And she said, I'm going to create a body oil for her that you're going to use, and that should help her. Eventually it was launched as Blooming Body Oil. हमने initially launch नहीं किया था. When we started Indulgio, we started with 5 products. We did not launch it because the formulation was expensive. The understanding of the market was that people don't spend a lot of money on their body products. मतलब वो अपने face पे serum लगा लेंगे 5000 का, body पे body wash उनको 200 रुपए का ही लगाना है. So that is the psychology of a lot of people when it comes to body care. So that was not the product in our bucket list to launch, but that is how the idea of Indulgio Essentials started. That okay, if this worked on my daughter, this needs to go out. But ऐसा नहीं है कि it just started with my daughter. It started with me. It started with my acne journey. But कहते हैं ना, घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर. So my mom, who healed my acne, my problem, I never understood the importance of what she was creating for me back then, and how it worked for me, how it healed me, and I just took it for granted. But only when it worked for my daughter, it felt like this needs to go out. I've always had a streak of entrepreneur inside me, and always, like, I started working when I was in college. I used to write book reviews. And then I started a shoe business where my mom used to run a fashion house, और मैं shoes बनाने मैंने शुरू किया था. And then we started memorabilia when my son was born. बेटा हुआ था second. तो मैंने hand and foot casting उसके लिए बनाया. And then there was nobody that time doing it in Delhi. There was one lady doing it in Mumbai, and she was very expensive. So I thought, why not? And I started that. और उसके बीच में ही this idea of Indulgio Essentials came, and then memorabilia took a back seat and Indulgio Essentials took the front seat. And मुझे time ही नहीं मिला कभी वापस memorabilia के लिए. That social media page is still there somewhere. I don't even have its password or access, don't remember. But that's me, I would like to say. Now when I'm talking about my acne journey, since I was 13, मेरे मुंह पे इतना acne रहता था, इतना acne, like I always had cheeks full of acne. My chin used to be full of acne, and I went to every possible dermatologist I could. All famous ones, all non-famous ones. They did their bit as per what dermatologists do, and yeah, it healed me temporarily. But as soon as I used to stop, it used to come back with the bigger flare, I would call it. वो और ज़्यादा intense होते थे. Eventually what fixed me was the right kind of skincare. How skincare should be used. Obviously diet, lifestyle, lot of things involved. जब मैंने डॉक्टर्स छोड़ दिए और अपनी मम्मा की बात सुननी शुरू कर दी, और उनके created formulations use करने शुरू कर दिए, that's when I started healing. But like I told you, I did not give that much of importance back then. But then now when I see those same formulations working on so many people and my kids also, I realize that what is the importance of science when it marries Ayurveda. And that's what Indulgio is all about, science, sex, Ayurveda. I'm so proud of where we are 9 years after. And kahan ye journey, without my clients, without my customers who have been my backbone, who have been my support, this journey would not have been possible. We've got multiple awards for our creation. Wonder Gold oil was one of the initial oils that we got an award for. Recently got a Grazia award for one of our new product formulation. Strength और ये motivation आती ही मेरे clients से है. And the way they appreciate. You know, there are a lot of people in this world who will come to you and criticize you on your face and when things are not working. But there are very few people in this world who will come to you and appreciate you when things are working. And because जो चीज़ नहीं काम करती वो तो इंसान को याद रहती है और जो चीज़ काम करती है वो काफ़ी कम लोगों को याद रहती है. But I think I'm blessed with the best of the lots when I would say my client. कि वो सारे ऐसे हैं who will always come back and appreciate what's worked for them and how it worked for them, and that's the encouragement and the strength that I get from my clients. I would like to say it's been 9 years. You've been supporting Indulgio Essentials. You and me together have built this brand. Let's continue to build it further, make it stronger. Thank you all for always being there.